Hello, everyone. I appreciate you guys giving me a chance to talk to you and read you guys a short story. Um, my name is Niko Marinucci. Pueblo born and raised. I went to Pueblo South High School, played football and basketball there. Now I work for a company called Swift Transportation, where I do account management work. And I also coach football at South High School. So hopefully one day I'll get to see some of you guys growing up and playing a little football later on in life. So, like I said, I appreciate you guys giving me the chance to read you guys a short little story. I've been asked to read a short little story from Dr. Seuss book here. The title is Too Many Days. So, I hope you guys are ready. All right, here we go. Did I ever tell you that Mrs. McCabe had 23 sons and she named them all Dave? Well, she did. And that wasn't a smart thing to do. You see, when she wants one and calls out, Yoo-hoo! Come into the house, Dave, she doesn't get one. All 23 Daves of hers come on the run. This makes things quite difficult at the McCaves, as you can imagine, with so many Daves, and often she wishes that, when they were born, she had named just one of them Bodkin Van Horn, and one of them Who's Foos, and one of them Snim, and one of them Hot Shot, and one Sunny Jim, and one of them Shadrach, and one of them Blinky, and one of them Stuffy, and one of them Stinky. Another one Put Put, and another one Moonface. Another one Marvin O'Gravel Balloon Face, and one of them Ziggy, and one of them Soggy Muff. One Buffalo Bill, and one Biffalo Buff. One of them Sneepy, and one Weepy Weed, and one Paris Garters, and one Harris Tweed, and one of them Sir Michael Carmichael Zut, and one of them Oliver Bolivar Butt, and one of them Zanzibar Buck Buck McFate. But she didn't do it, and now it's too late. Well, guys, like I said, I appreciate you guys giving me the chance to talk to you, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.